I'm using Ibis Paint. It's for Android devices. It costs $2.99 a month for a subscription. Then you go to My Gallery and open up a new canvas. And from here, we're just going to start and import the picture of the dress that I want to see a different fabric on. This is me. So now you open up the Layers tab, add a layer. And then to that layer, you're going to go in and pick out the tool to draw the line. And you're going to, whatever shape you feel comfortable with, I'm going to use the thinnest one. Now, I'm just going to outline the shape of the dress because that's the only part that I'm going to change the pattern on. This part takes a little finesse. You'll get the hang of it. It's kind of fun. It's a little bit like tracing, and then you're going to be coloring. So it's kind of just like another creative outlet. I really enjoy it. Next, pop up the Layers tab. Click to add a new layer. Then click on the camera icon to choose a picture of your fabric. Shrink it down to the size you think the print will be. Choose repeat and click cancel out of the little dialog box that pops up. Then remove the layer of fabric so that it is below the line drawing. So then now you can see the little drawing that you did. And now you're going to go and choose from the tools eraser. And you can choose the big fat one for this part because we're going to just do a rough in. We're going to go along and just scrape away the fabric layer until it reveals what you want it to reveal. I'm just doing this real quick and dirty just for the purpose of this tutorial. And now you have it. So you can export this as a JPEG and print it out, put it on your mood board. Let me know if this was helpful.